Hi, it's Jesse, and this is a video I wish I didn't have to make, but I feel it's essential. If you've been on YouTube for the last year, I'm sure you've seen a lot of videos talking about how you can make $100 a day, $1,000 a week, $10,000 a month as a beginner copywriter. And I've done my research, and a lot of these videos are being published by young influencers that really have little or no experience with copywriting. Yes, some of them did work as copywriters briefly before starting their channels on YouTube and then selling their own make money courses. And unfortunately, the internet has made it really easy for anyone to call themselves an expert, to start a YouTube channel and then sell some kind of course or program to other people. And this is really no surprise. I mean, I've been in the copywriting game for 20 years. I've seen lots of different gurus come and go in that time. And the only thing that really changes is the vehicle. So when I first begun my career, there was people selling how to get rich in mail order, how to get rich stuffing envelopes. And that was before the internet. And now that the internet has come along, there's, how to get rich with online marketing, with crypto, with e-commerce, with copywriting. I mean, these get rich quick gurus are going to be around forever, and they're always going to be changing, the method, but the message is the same. How to make money by doing virtually nothing, which of course is impossible. Now, when I first began copywriting at 19 years old, I was also seduced by a lot of the different make money schemes out there. I tried mail order, I tried MLM, I saw all of the things being offered. I was even hired to write for some of these different make money gurus in the beginning of my career. When you work with these guys and girls, what you realize is a lot of them are not making money themselves. I mean, they were literally selling something that they themselves were not able to do. And so I saw all of that, as a copywriter, and I was really turned off by people offering these kind of false promises and false hope. And unfortunately, the YouTube algorithm seems to be promoting these kind of videos more and more. I mean, I'm sure you've seen them yourself. There's so many of these young 20-year-old gurus teaching you how to get wealthy, how to make money, showing, photos of cars and Lamborghinis and big houses and piles of money. And unfortunately, they're targeting other young people that are too naive to really know any better. And that's what I'm afraid of. I know that 30% of my audience on YouTube are aged between 18 and 24. And these young minds are really impressionable. They don't have life experience, so they'll believe this kind of nonsense being promoted on YouTube. And that's really a shame. And that's why I wanted to come out and make this video and to give you the honest truth that someone that's been copywriting for 20 years, I've worked with hundreds of clients in over 153 different industries. I've personally been hired to train companies like Chanel, Disney, Sony, and JP Morgan. I'm not someone that, called himself a copywriter last week and is now teaching copywriting and selling courses. Now, to be truly candid, I do sell courses and I do have my own community which people can sign up for. That is true. I even have some videos on my channel that talk about the potential income you can make as a copywriter. This is true. But the difference is I always give the disclaimer that it's not easy or fast to make money as a copywriter. I also emphasize in a lot of my videos that you need to focus on what's important. The only really things that you can control, which is how much time and effort you put into copywriting to improving your skills, to becoming a skilled and confident copywriter who is then worthy of making the big money. Companies don't just throw money at you because you call yourself a copywriter. They want to hire the best. And that's what you need to focus on in the beginning. The only thing you can focus on and control, which is the actions you take to develop your skills and when you're ready to go out and market yourself so you can get those high-paying clients. That is possible, but it won't happen in your first week. It probably won't happen in your first month or even 6 months. And that's the honest truth. Now, you can do things to speed up the process, but the gurus that are promising you fast success and fast money, they're lying to you. It's just not realistic for most people. And that's a difference between me and these gurus. I will sit here and tell you the truth because I don't want to lie to my audience just so I can make money on YouTube or from selling my courses. And I received a comment recently which I think sums up what I'm saying here really well. And she says, I really appreciate that you are experienced. So many of these copywriting channels on YouTube are from people that are super young, so you know that they can't have been in the game for long. In fact, I'm sure they're making more money from their YouTube content than they are from their copywriting, which honestly is great if it's someone like you that has years under his belt and can teach and speak from a ton of experience. Thank you so much. I actually research the people I choose to follow on YouTube when it comes to copywriting, and it amazes me how many people are not what they claim. However, when I looked up your name right away, I found out that you're the real deal. So why am I making this video? I want to warn you about all those other videos and let you know that the reality of copywriting, it's a much slower process to make a name for yourself, develop your skills, and eventually earn an income. It's not going to happen overnight, regardless of what the other videos tell you. I also want you to focus on what you can control. Focus on developing your craft. Focus on getting good at copywriting, and then eventually focus on marketing yourself. It doesn't happen overnight, but it is worth the journey. It is worth it in the end to finally have the freedom to work from where you want, when you want, and for who you want to work with. And that is possible further down the line. So thank you again for watching this video. If you like this message and you think more people should be aware of the realities of freelance copywriting, then feel free to leave a comment below and also share it with other people if you think they should see this message as well. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and bye for now.